Welcome, Ashima, to this session.
Thank you, Komal.
Hello, how are you doing? How was your day?
I'm doing good, and my day is also running good. And I'm in Europe, so it's daytime. So
Right.
I would say afternoon time. Yeah, so
Yeah, yeah.
half of the day.
Okay, okay. So we have already completed our 8 days of healing. And
Yes.
let me just first introduce a little about Ashima. She's from Poland and
Hmm.
she's working in a corporate, right? Yeah.
Yes.
And we begin healing on 1st of November and today is
Yeah.
almost 21st of January. And it's only been like 2.5 months to 3 months till
Yeah.
your healing has been completed. Still few of the sessions are left that we will be completing very soon. And yeah, so can you please share a little about yourself? And yeah, first you share about yourself. I would really like to know about you.
So welcome, and thank you for having me for this feedback session.
Thank
And
you.
starting what like my name is Ashrama, and I am from initially from India, but staying in Poland for almost 12 years. And I work in a corporate company, as you already mentioned to the
Yeah.
viewers, and also uh, it was quite a journey, and like the reason I joined your session as well, I would say it was because I wanted to have a balance, yeah, emotional balance and also support. And during our session, I also mentioned to you that why I connected to your session. Yeah, I could
Yeah.
gone to the therapist, but I just realized that healing is what I'm looking for.
Right.
और एक अच्छी बात ये थी कि like you just came to the feed, and I felt that I have a lot of blockage, and you came to me and we started connecting. So more or
Mm.
less I'm like a like 30 plus woman, recently married, going through a lot of personal issues and professional issues, I would say, and this is the reason I connected.
Right, right. And
Do
what,
you want more? Maybe I think.
yeah, a little
Yeah.
bit about like what your life felt emotionally when you started this journey. First question. Second is like, what made you trust me when we had a clarity call and when you wanted to start your journey? What was the thing that felt connected and aligned to me for you?
I would say, like as I mentioned, the reason I connected because I saw one of your posts in your Instagram, yeah, while scrolling, and
Yes.
it really connected me.
Okay.
It's somebody, like somebody hit my question and gave me the answer. Yeah, like somebody is
Okay.
telling you that, are you going through this problem? I am here
Mhm.
to solve it. I'm here to pull you out. Yeah, and I
Right.
felt that connection, and
Okay.
I was really really broken, I would say. Like
Mm-hmm.
आज जो भी मुझे देखेंगे वो ये नहीं समझ पाएंगे what you have seen,
Yes,
what you
yes.
have pulled me out, yeah, through.
Right.
So I would say कि it was disaster. It was
Hmm.
like terrible, horrible, like जितना भी negative words हो सकता है, I was going through that. And
True.
also we had one session, yeah, the clarity session,
Yeah.
where I was almost drained, like emotionally
Hmm.
drained, कि मुझे ऐसा लगता था कि जैसे मैं अपनी जान ले लूं, like like I literally felt like I want to end this life. Yeah, I cannot
Hmm.
take it anymore, though I am very strong. But when I had first session like this thing with you, I spoke to you, we had like small grounding meditation. I literally felt that day that something, this person can change. Yeah, this sport, this trust within me.
Hmm.
And the same day when I told my mother about it, she was like, go for it if you felt so good. And I would say it's an alignment. Yeah, it's like there are a
Yeah.
lot of people, but when you feel the difference the same day, you start connecting. So yeah, this is
Right.
the reason.
Okay. And what was the main struggle or, that pain or pattern that it made you realize that you really need that healing or inner work?
I would say repetitive problems I was going through,
Yeah.
like maybe in a different way, but I was
Mhm.
ending up having the same situation. So I
Okay.
know that this is not the actual medical problem, but this is
Mhm.
like the healing problem. Yeah,
Emotional
the shifts of
problems.
emotional problems. Yeah, like which was like in my mind, and I wanted to break this pattern. एंड
Hmm.
आई न्यू दैट दिस इज द ओनली वे। या बहुत लोग बोलेंगे आपको कि आप मेडिटेशन कर लो, चीजें कर लो, बट it's not easy. It's really not easy. You really need a coach for that.
Right, right.
So yeah, this is
And
the
what
reason.
made you decide to commit to an this 8 week journey with me, despite fears, doubt, self-doubt भी था आपको बहुत ज़्यादा उस time when we you met me. We started doing with the self-love part as well. हमने self-love से
Mm,
start किया था अपना journey, and we have come so far now.
yeah, I would say कि आप आपसे जब एक या दो सेशन हुआ, उसके बाद में जो डाउट था वो क्लियर होने लगा
Okay,
कि नहीं, और आपको ये और आप आपके सेशन में ये बार बार था कि कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की।
is the key.
आपको
Right.
मैं चीजें सिखाऊंगी लेकिन आपको करना है, या
हाँ.
ये जो चीज सीखी नहीं, चलो करके देखते हैं, बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड टू चेंज।
Hmm.
ये जो
Right.
चेंज मुझे करना था, मुझे पता था कि कोई भी मुझे आके हेल्प करेगा, लेकिन चेंज तो
Hmm.
मुझे करना है।
करना
तो
है.
ये
Right.
जो कमिटमेंट था, और आपका बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेन नहीं था कि
हाँ.
लाइक आई ऑलवेज फेल कि आप हमेशा वो सेशन में थे।
Hmm.
लाइक बोलते हैं ना कि एक होते हैं कि सिर्फ आपने भाई आपने एनरोल कर लिया और छोड़ दिया, बट
Hmm.
आप हमेशा थे। यू आर
Hmm.
ऑलवेज काउंटिंग कि हम चीजें कर रहे हैं कि नहीं कर रहे। आप
Right.
हमें ऐसे मतलब आई वुड से टास्क टास्क देते थे जो वी फेल्ट दैट वी शुड डू इट, एंड
Hmm.
आफ्टर डूइंग ईच एंड एवरी टास्क लाइक continuously for 2 to 3 weeks, I
Hmm.
started feeling shift.
Hmm.
Not immediately, but I can see that the sadness I was having around was clearing it out. Yeah. I
Mhm.
was also doing meditation. आपके meditation जो थे सब, I would say the only thing which kept me going was your meditation. Like the way you are making us grounded.
Mm.
ये मेरा पहला की पॉइंट था कि मुझे अपने आप से आपने कनेक्ट करना शुरू किया, और आपने
Right.
जिस तरीके से लाइक हम यूट्यूब में बहुत कुछ देखते हैं, लेकिन लाइक द थिंग इज लाइक व्हेन आई कनेक्टेड यू, आई स्टार्टेड कनेक्टिंग माई सेल्फ, विच वॉज माई मेजर पार्ट।
Right.
तो
Right.
दिस वॉज वन ऑफ द थिंग ऑल्सो विच आई वुड से इट वॉज मेकिंग मी कंसिस्ट कि मुझे करना है, मुझे बस
Mm.
करना है, एंड आई जस्ट वेंट थ्रू इट।
Okay, that's amazing to hear. And I remember that on the first day, I told you that this is your journey. And it's a
या
journey to, to coming back to yourself. It's like you will be coming back to yourself. Maybe वो problem solve नहीं होंगी, maybe वो person change नहीं होंगे, maybe situations change नहीं होंगी. I told you in the first day. But
जी,
what will change?
यस,
Your perspective, your thought process, your patterns will start
एग्जैक्टली,
changing and shifting. And with that shift, you will be able to like better your energy first, and then you will be able to
या
better the energy of people around you. Not even around you if they're not with you, but the people you're connected with. Soul with soul. There's a connection. We connect people with soul. Like you're living out of the country and your family is here, everyone is here, and there's a connection, right? When you change,
या
you will be able to see the shift within them. This was a main part that we were working on. Okay, so now we will move to the next question. How did you feel during the initial sessions when you started facing your emotions, your inner patterns, and when you met your inner child? What was the shift that you felt when you met your inner child, basically?
I would say that मुझे जब like when the session we had about the inner child,
Yeah.
I realized that there was a fear which I was holding. It was not
Mhm.
like like there are multiple reasons. Yeah,
Yeah.
maybe मुझे लगा कि शायद my mother has this thought or something, but I realized that there was a fear, the taunts, the comments which I was
Hmm.
holding to, which
Hmm.
was not necessary. And when we had this healing, when I understood what was the problem, and what is the preventative measures we can do, how we can heal it, I
Hmm.
did it, I felt better. Like अब मुझे वो डर नहीं लगता, या अब मुझे वो फियर नहीं होता। मुझे पता है कि अगर कहीं है तो मुझे कहाँ जाकर के आई हैव टू रियली फाइंड द आंसर। या
Right.
so this was one of the amazing session I had with you, where you connected me with my like the infant self,
Yes.
and I found that it was not my mother. It
Hmm.
was nothing with my mother. It was with me. It
It
was
was
my
with
thoughts.
you.
It was my pattern.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Yes.
which I
And
carried.
I can actually, I can actually relate to each and every session that we had because, it was one to one and we were
Yeah,
sharing each and every moment so much with dedication. There was so much of dedication from my end, from your end both. So
true.
that healing actually made this transformation came in you. Because of that
Yeah,
dedication, this transformation I can see now, because I was also, working on you with every detail that you were sharing with me. In each and every session, the details you share about how things were in your childhood, how things happened, what all happened, and what made you feel so low at that time, and now how those things are impacting you in this current life. And we were able
yeah,
to heal
agree.
that pattern, right?
ट्रू। एंड जैसे मैंने बोला ना कि बहुत हेल्थ कोच आएंगे जो आपको बोलेंगे वो एनरोल करवाएंगे, बट दे आर नॉट देयर विथ यू।
There
पर आई
with.
फेल्ट कि आप थे कि
Yeah.
मुझे जैसे लाइक यू आर लॉस्ट इन अ फॉरेस्ट एंड यू
Yeah.
हैव अ कंपेनियन और यू हैव अ पर्सन हु कैन से अरे मैं हूं, क्यों डर रहे हो, मैं
हाँ.
हूं, मैं तुम्हें इस चीज से निकालूंगी। एंड
Yeah.
दैट व्हाट आई फेल्ट लाइक मुझे सेकंड सेशन से ही डिफरेंस फील होने लगा था। एंड वो एक्साइटमेंट लाइक नॉट ओनली मी बट आई कुड से दैट मेरे पेरेंट्स भी लाइक मेरा ब्रदर और मेरे मदर दे कुड
Yeah.
सी दिस चेंज। इवन माय फ्लैटमेट लाइक आई स्टे विद द
Mhm.
फ्लैटमेट्स, शी
Yes, yes.
she started saying me, what are you having, like are you on a fire, what happened, you look so changed, so energetic।
Wow.
Like ये चीजें जो मुझे हमेशा मिलती थी, मुझे तब समझ में आया कि हाँ समथिंग इज हैपनिंग
Yes.
literally। And I could control my urge of like not doing like not thinking anything negative.
Mm.
Even my
Mm.
workplaces I could see start to see the differences
Right.
because I changed। I
Mm.
changed और आपने एक कमिटमेंट बोला था कि you will not think anything negative,
Right.
which I started doing it। Like it's like I'm a dedicated student।
Mm.
जो बोल रहे हैं वो मुझे करना है because if you want to change you have to do it।
Do it.
how I will
Also,
know
there was one thing that
ये
you told me in the session that um, आप मुझे हमेशा बोलते थे ना कि मैं जो भी आपको बोलती हूँ, ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड गेट स्टक इन माई माइंड। आपने मुझे हमेशा ये लाइन
माइंड
बोली है
एग्जैक्टली।
कि आपका
या
एक एक वर्ड मेरे दिमाग में है, बिकॉज इतनी डेडिकेशन से आपने वो चीजें सुनी है, और वो लर्निंग्स भी आपके दिमाग में अभी तक है। आई नो दैट, एंड यू ऑलवेज सेड दिस थिंग ड्यूरिंग द सेशंस की जब भी हम लोग मिलते थे, एंड आई वाज लाइक, आशिमा,
ट्रू।
यू रिमेंबर अबाउट द लास्ट सेशन, यू वर लाइक, ईच एंड एवरी वर्ड इज स्टक इन माई माइंड, each and every word is there in mind.
यस।
This was your,
या
wordings at that time. Yeah.
I cannot tell you that how good I feel, like I like it's like you have a power with you that you can change, you can get whatever you want, yeah, like
Yeah.
not like unrealistic but yes, you
Yes.
just have this energy।
Yes.
एंड आई एंड आई थिंक कि हमको शायद 3-4 सेशन लगेंगे कि आपको एक्सप्लेन करने के लिए कि हाउ बैड और हाउ
Yes.
बैडली आई वाज
Yeah.
लाइक
Actually,
ड्रेन्ड,
आपका
इमोशनली
जो
ड्रेन्ड।
मेजर टर्निंग पॉइंट ऑफ द सेशन था, आई थिंक वो ऑरा क्लिंजिंग के टाइम पे था। आई थिंक एट दैट
ट्रू।
टाइम यू
ट्रू।
वर एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी सेशन वेरी क्लियरली बाय दैट टाइम,
यस।
आई गेस। बिकॉज
यस।
स्टार्टिंग में
यस।
हमने जब किया तो हम लोग एक बेस बना रहे थे अपना हीलिंग का और स्पिरिचुअल वर्क का, और जब तक हम लोग ऑरा
जी।
क्लिंजिंग के पास आए, तब तक आई थिंक यू वर हैविंग अ रियली मेजर पॉइंट टू, like you were seeing the shift
ट्रू।
in at that point, I guess.
जी। एग्जैक्टली या आई वुड से सो। हाँ वो ऑरा क्लिनजिंग के बाद से आई कैन लिटरली फील द शिफ्ट।
Yeah.
लाइक मुझे रखना ही नहीं है, लाइक हाउ यू से यू वांट टू डीक्लटराइज एवरी नेगेटिव थॉट्स इनसाइड यू।
Hmm.
हर चीज है मतलब अच्छा, लाइक आई फेल्ट सो गुड दैट आई स्लीप बेटर। ये एक चीज था कि मैं इतना सोची नहीं, लाइक ओवर थिंकिंग वॉज माई प्रॉब्लम,
Yeah.
बट नाउ इट्स नॉट देयर। अरे ठीक है, हो रहा है, होगा, नहीं होगा, नहीं होगा, लेट्स। एंड इट्स बाय डिफॉल्ट व्हेनेवर आई फील बैड आई वाज जस्ट डूइंग दिस ऑरा क्लिनजिंग एवरी टाइम, या। तो
Hmm.
ये भी चीज थी कि लाइक दिस सेशन वाज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी, समथिंग व्हिच
Hmm.
वाज रियली कनेक्टेड टू मी, आई वुड
Right.
से सो। या
Okay, and just tell me this, that how did this healing journey impact your daily life, your decision making? and your relationships?
Okay, so the major part I joined this session was my relationship with my husband. Yeah, we recently got married, like not recently, but 2 years of marriage, but it was not
Up and
going very
downs.
smooth.
Yeah, they
Yeah,
were up
not
and
not
down.
smooth, up and downs.
Hmm.
Like being staying in a distance in a
That-
different two countries.
Yeah.
Also like the gaps in the communication, मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग तो ये एक चीज है कि जिसे मुझे क्लियर करना था मुझे
Hmm.
लगा कि शायद लाइक आई हैव टू हील माई सेल्फ एंड व्हाइल आई विल हील आई विल हैव अ लाइक आई विल बी स्ट्रोंगर इन मेकिंग डिसीजन which was getting very hard बट ये जो चीज हुई मेरे साथ में जब मैंने आपके साथ जो 8 वीक जो जर्नी मैंने उसके थ्रू आई कैन सी द शिफ्ट इन मी
Hmm.
ऑल्सो द डेली थिंग लाइक ये था कि कोई मुझे कुछ बोल रहा था तो मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता था कि कोई मेरे
Hmm.
को बोल रहा है यार तुमको दिमाग नहीं है या तुमको लाइक यू डोंट हैव अंडरस्टैंडिंग पावर यू आर इमेच्योर और यू नीड टू बी मोर लाइक अलाइन और अंडरस्टैंड थिंग्स या तो
Right.
मुझे ये समझ में आया कि like it was not problem with me it
Hmm.
was like it's a people's overview it
Hmm.
was a like person who is connected to me their perception but I should stop not taking into me
Hmm.
ये
Right.
चीज मुझे नहीं थी क्योंकि आई वॉज ब्लेमिंग माई सेल्फ या आई वॉज नॉट सेल्फ
Yes.
लविंग माई सेल्फ
Yeah.
मच तो ये जो था कि मुझे अपने आप को सेल्फ लव करना है तो ये भी चीज मेरा जब नेगेटिव थॉट्स निकला I
Hmm.
started doing Oponopono and a lot of things. I started aligning with myself. I started liking myself.
Yeah.
तो ये था नींद I could not sleep.
Could
I'm
not
telling you, I
sleep.
was complaining. I was not
Yes.
sleeping. I was not the person I was.
Hmm.
But after this 2 to 3 days, like 2 to 3 weeks session, I would say I started connecting to myself. I'm
Right.
sleeping proper. Even if I'm sleeping 2 to 3 hours, I'm sleeping
Hmm.
like it's a peace like I just love myself I want to wake up in the morning and do this session like do this meditation
Yes,
तो
that
ये
we will
चीज
be doing
ऑटोमेटिकली
very
मेरे अंदर थी
soon. The morning sessions
yeah
as well. We will be completing that as well. And okay, so what was the most challenging part of this process? What was the most challenging phase of yours in this journey?
in
What did you?
initial days it was very tough to sit and do meditation ये एक चीज था
Hmm.
जो मेरे साथ बहुत डिफिकल्ट था या
Yes, you were not
जर्नल
able
करना
to connect with my words in this
यस
in the first two sessions. Yes.
ट्रू और मुझे वो जर्नल लिखना भी बहुत ये लगता था
हाँ
कि
हाँ.
अरे कौन लिखेगा
Right.
बहुत मतलब इट्स लाइक एवरी डे यू हैव टू राइट लाइक डू दिस ग्रैटिट्यूड थिंग या
Yeah.
तो मुझे जर्नलिंग करना आज भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट लगता है बट आई डू लाइक इन माई माइंड आई
Yes.
जर्नलाइज
Yes.
एवरीथिंग एवरी डे आई एम ट्राइंग टू बी ग्रेटफुल फॉर वट एवर स्मॉल थिंग्स तो
Hmm.
मेरे लिए ये बहुत चैलेंजिंग था चैलेंजिंग हमारे लिए टाइम निकालना भी था बिकॉज व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू हैव अ सेशन आई वाज एक्साइटेड मेरे पास यही टाइम होता है ये कभी
Yes.
आई यूज्ड टू गेट सिक एंड यू वर अवेलेबल सो
Yeah.
ये चीज मेरे लिए सबसे चैलेंजिंग था कि हाउ आई नीड टू लाइक कंटिन्यूसली have this like make a routine मेरे लिए
Yes.
वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट था
Hmm.
to do a routine but
And
then
also
I
with your work
understood
pressure,
जब
right?
हमने
There was a
और
work pressure also initially, I
yes
think, you know?
and 24 work pressure and also like 24 by 7 yeah
Yeah,
like when you
24 by
are
7, you told me that I
supporting
was
your company
completely
yeah
working for 20. Yeah.
yes
Okay.
तो
So,
वो चीज बहुत डिफिकल्ट था मेरे लिए
right. And you were able to make it better now with your healing, with your other work that
yes
we were doing. Okay. And also tell me that
true yeah
we recently started a 30-day challenge in January, right? In our community.
mm-hmm.
Yes.
yes
How is it going it for you,
yes
and how this challenge has created an impact in you? Okay. And how rigorously you're following.
mm-hmm.
Like I always told everyone that, 100% is not possible. We do 100%, sometimes it's not very much
True.
possible to do. But at least you try to do 80 to 90%, that's enough. So, how is your progress and how this 30 days challenge has created an impact in you and how beneficial it was for you?
Uh, like as you mentioned already, ki, it's difficult to give 100%. I tried to give it like 100%, but it's going it's going well. I would say
Okay.
I'm
Okay.
80% there.
Okay.
The thing is, I made it a point that I will wake up early in the morning and do a session,
Okay.
but sometimes it happens that I am not able to.
Okay. Now.
Mhm. Okay.
So yes, you were talking about the 30 days challenge, how it is
Yes.
impacting you and helping you in your daily life.
So like I would say that as I mentioned that 100% नहीं होता,
Hmm.
but ये था कि करना है चाहे like even if I cannot do one day, I make sure that I'm doing the next day. It's going 80% well. I am waking up and it's not like 5 a.m. 5 a.m. Even if it's 5 I'm making sure that I'm sitting, I'm doing a meditation. I am just moving around doing this like Surya Namaskar because there was a movement, but I cannot go outside due to the cold. तो वो करना और जर्नलिंग करना, ये मैंने चीज रखी थी। और उसके साथ साथ में इवन इफ आई हैव नॉट चोजन Oponopono, I was doing it every night or whenever I felt that I am disconnecting or I'm getting negative, I was doing it. So yes, I am doing it, and I am feeling good. It's not that consist, but yeah, I am doing it whenever I like feel that no, I need to get back to it. I am doing it. तो मेरे लिए शायद ये 30 डेज का चैलेंज नहीं होगा, मेरे लिए ये कंटिन्यूअस रहेगा बिकॉज इट इज काइंड ऑफ प्रैक्टिस व्हिच आई हैव इन बिल्ड नाउ. तो I think
Very
this is
true.
just an
So this
excuse,
30
and
days were,
I know
yeah.
that you will give us more.
Yes,
You will give
everything
us
is,
more, I know,
yeah,
and
yeah.
I'm always excited.
Because
So
it's
yeah, I'm
like
waiting
I
for it.
always keep you engaging through my community, WhatsApp community, which is
Yes,
there, and you are always engaged with that community. Every day there is certain things, except Sundays, or even when I'm on my, bad days, I don't make to it. But otherwise, every time you have something or the other in the group that motivates you or helps you in every way possible, right? And next
true,
question I
agree.
would,
Ji.
yeah. So next question I would go ahead with is, how did you experience my guidance and support during these 8 weeks of journey of healing?
Yeah, okay, if somebody will ask me, I would just say that like if you ask universe to send you an help or
Hmm.
send you a guidance, you were that for me. So
Thank
you
you
are
so
like an
much.
angel, God, or whatever, I
Thank
don't know.
you.
Like
I feel so,
before,
yeah, yeah, please go ahead.
yeah, like मेरे को पता है कि आप नहीं बिलीव करोगे, लेकिन I have no words. I have no words to tell you how I feel. I feel so good. Like बोलते हैं ना कि आपके पास एडजेक्टिव भी कम पड़ेंगे वो चीज बोलने के लिए कि how you feel. तो मुझे ये मैंने अंदर अभी लाइक बोलते हैं कि मैं मुझे नहीं पता कि मैं कैसे इसे एक्सप्लेन करूं, बट इस जर्नी में मैं खाली मैं नहीं थी.
Hmm.
Like I was not there. Like when I'm telling you, I can have this goosebumps, but
Oh my
in this
God.
journey, I actually see that my blockage was also creating blockage in my family.
Hmm.
I
True.
can see that my mother was constantly in this drained energy. Yeah, क्योंकि वो मुझसे जब बात करती थी वो एनर्जी उनको शिफ्ट होती थी. दो वी आर टॉकिंग ऑन द फोन, मैंने मेरे ब्रदर बहुत टाइम से जॉब के लिए ढूंढ रहे थे. ही वॉज नॉट एबल टू गेट इट. But when I shifted, when I started feeling happy, I can see that they have the same thing. उनके अंदर वो feeling आने लगी, वो मुझसे चीजें सीखते हैं.
Hmm.
Like I was learning from you. I was telling, I don't want to talk anything negative. I have learned something good. Let's do this together.
Yes.
तो वो चीजें जो थी वो उनके साथ भी I could say that one person's healing journey can impact so many.
Yes,
um,
it's actually like when one woman, I would say, when
yes.
woman heals, she heals her entire family, her entire lineage and ancestors also.
ट्रू, आई एग्री. एंड ये जो चीज हमने एंसेस्ट्रल के टाइम में करी थी, ये भी
Yeah,
चीज मुझे समझ में आया कि हाँ कुछ पैटर्न है जो आई एम कैरिंग फ्रॉम द एंसेस्ट्रल थिंग एंड आई हैव टू ब्रेक दिस पैटर्न. सो आई
right.
वाज वेरी नीट, मुझे कोई भी पैटर्न को स्टक नहीं करना है, मुझे इस
हाँ.
पैटर्न को या तो कट करना है या तो मुझे उसे मॉडिफाई करके, या आई हैव टू चैनलाइज इन सच अ वे दैट इट इज इन ऑल्स फेवर।
Enormous.
और दूसरा
Right.
क्या है कि ये चीज जो मैंने आपसे सीखी कि आई वॉज अ पर्सन हु वांटेड अ वैलिडेशन, कि
Hmm.
मैं कैसे दिख रही हूँ, क्या मुझे ये लिपस्टिक लगाना चाहिए कि नहीं लगाना चाहिए, क्या मुझे ऐसे पहनना चाहिए कि नहीं, मुझे कहीं जाना है। आई वाज सो मच inclined for the validation which I saw in the session when I did with you. I stopped doing it. Like I can say that I just like myself.
Yeah.
एंड ये चीज आपने मुझे मुझसे कनेक्ट की,
Wow.
एंड वी हैड लॉट ऑफ कोइंसिडेंसेस।
Yes.
लाइक कुछ ऐसे चीज थी कि जो मतलब ऐसा था कि आप मुझे बोलते थे एंड आई वाज टू से यार ये तो मेरा थॉट है। तो व्हेन आई वाज लाइक व्हेन यू वाज टेलिंग नो कि आप भी अपने हीलिंग पे हम सबके लिए प्रे करते हैं या आप हमको हील
Yes.
करते हैं, व्हेन यू आर डूइंग अ मेडिटेशन
When
आई
I
कुड
do.
सी दैट
Hmm.
यू आर कनेक्टिंग विद अस।
Yes.
सो ये जो चीज थी कि um, मैं बोलूं कि यू आर एंजल, लाइक
Hmm.
आई वाज ऑलवेज रिमेम्बरिंग यू, लाइक इवन इफ आई
Hmm.
वाज इन एनी ऑफ द थॉट्स या मुझे कोई डिफिकल्टीज थी, आई न्यू दैट आई कैन कॉल यू। एंड इट
Hmm.
हैपेंड लाइक
Yeah. Yes.
इनिशियल सेशन में आई यूज्ड टू कॉल यू दैट
Yes. Yes.
मेरे हस्बैंड ने मुझे ऐसा बोला,
हाँ
या मेरी
हाँ.
मदर इन लॉ मुझे ऐसे बोल रही हैं। एंड
Right.
यू
Right.
ऑलवेज गिव अस अ वेरी नाइस like things or to do or a task to do, and I did it. मैंने बोला मुझे नहीं पता ये बहुत stupid है, लेकिन when I did it I
Yeah. I
knew
told you कि do
and
it
I could see
anyhow.
the
आपको
shift anyhow,
आपको
yeah,
बेकार लगे, बोरिंग लगे, आपको बस करना है, आप
करो
करो. Yes.
करनो।
This
एंड मैं
was the
आपको
only
एक
thing.
चीज बोलूंगी, लाइक माय मदर यूज्ड टू ऑलवेज से डू ओपोनोपोनो, and I was
Hmm.
like क्या है ये, क्यों मुझे ये बोलना है। बट इन योर सेशन यू एक्सप्लेन्ड, दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द वेरी गुड थिंग दैट लॉट ऑफ पीपल विल एक्सप्लेन यू बट वो दिमाग में नहीं जाएगा।
नहीं
But
जाएगा.
the way you gave us the explanation, the way you gave how it really works
Hmm.
and why you need to do it, not do it bogusly, but understand why you're doing it,
Why are you doing it?
then it started connecting. When I told mom that I am doing Ho'oponopono, she was surprised. Okay, तो मैं बोल रही थी तुमको नहीं करना था, क्योंकि मुझे मीनिंग ही नहीं पता था कि मैं वो क्यों कर रही हूँ।
Yes, you told me
Why
that
I'm
I
being
don't
sorry.
I actually do things with logic. आप हमेशा वो मेरे को अपने
Yes.
स्टार्टिंग में मेरे को
मेरे
बोला
को
था,
एग्जाम्पल चाहिए, मुझे नहीं समझ में
एग्जाम्पल
आता।
चाहिए था, आपको
यार
लॉजिक
रिमेम्बर।
चाहिए था कि ये चीज क्यों हो रही है